Hello and welcome to our video. I want to talk to you today about the Fair Credit Reporting Act, and the question that we'll answer is what damages can you get when you sue either a credit bureau or a furnisher under the FCRA, the Fair Credit Reporting Act. Well, there's a couple damages that you can get. Number one, most important, is actual damages, sometimes called compensatory damages. The idea is to compensate you or to provide your actual damages. So here's a way to think about it. If this is where you were before the furnisher, and the furnisher is just the company that provides the information to the credit bureau. So here's where you were before the furnisher did something wrong or the credit bureau did something wrong. But after they did that, it brought you down to here. Well, that gap would be your actual damages. That's what it would take to compensate you for your loss. So one simple example would be, let's say that you would have gotten a 5% interest rate, and instead you got a 6% interest rate. And we can look at what that cost you. And we'll just make it real easy. Say it's for a 1-year loan, and the interest amount that cost you was $10,000. Well, then we say you would have been here, but now you're down to here. You're down $10,000. So they need to pay you $10,000 to bring you back up to where you would have been. So that's the idea of actual damages or compensatory damages. It's whether it's economic loss, whether it's emotional distress, whatever it is. It's just talking about you personally to bring you back to where you would have been had they not done whatever it was that they did wrong. Now, there's a couple other types of damages. If this is what's called a willful or a wanton or reckless violation of the law, you can get what are called statutory damages. And that can be up to $1,000 per violation. And that's designed to give you some money and to motivate you to bring a suit so that we can get these guys under control so that they won't be out there breaking the law. Now, if it's a willful or a wanton, reckless type violation, you can also get punitive damages. Punitive damages have two purposes. Number one is to punish the company you're suing. They did something wrong. It wasn't just a mistake or an accident. It was intentional. Well, let's punish them for that. And the second reason is so that everybody else in the industry looking around and seeing that company get punished, they go, whoa, I don't want to get punished like that. So it deters them. So punish the wrongdoer, deter other people in the industry so that they won't make this same judgment to violate the law intentionally or recklessly. Now, whether it's just what we call a negligent violation or a reckless or intentional violation, you can get attorney's fees. So that way your lawyer is compensated for his or her time in representing you. And so those are the damages that you can get when you're suing under the FCRA, the Fair Credit Reporting Act. And if you live in Alabama and you have questions about credit reports, or maybe you say, well, I think I can sue a credit bureau, or maybe you're in the process of suing them, but you don't have a lawyer, feel free to give us a call, 205-879-2447, or you can reach us at alabamaconsumer.com. We'll be glad to chat with you, go over your options, give you our thoughts and suggestions. And then, of course, ultimately you make the decision on what you want to do, whether you want to sue, not sue, do you want to hire a lawyer, not hire a lawyer. But you'll have information to make that decision, and it'll be a great decision, whatever decision you make. So thanks for watching this video. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.